Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Traveling Kangaroo, your hop-to channel for all things travel. Today we're bounding over to one of the Caribbean's brightest gems, Aruba, the one happy island. If you're dreaming of turquoise waters, powdery white sands, and year-round sunshine, stick around as we dive into everything you need to know to plan your perfect Aruba getaway. So, yeah, grab your sun hat and water bottle and let's leap right in. Aruba is a unique Caribbean treasure nestled just off the southern coast of Venezuela. Unlike many islands in the region, Aruba boasts a dry, desert-like climate peppered with cactuses and tropical plants. This means you get warm, sunny weather almost all year long, thanks to its location outside the hurricane belt. That's right, Aruba offers peace of mind along with paradise. The high season runs from January through March when trade winds keep things refreshingly cool, though prices tend to be at their peak. If you're looking for a quieter escape with slightly warmer temps, consider visiting during the shoulder season from April to August. Even the low season between September and December sees only brief passing showers. Aruba is one of the least rainy islands in the Caribbean. Getting there is a breeze. Most travelers fly into Queen Beatrix International Airport, known as AUA. From North America and Europe to South America, direct flights abound. We snagged ours for under $400 round trip. If you prefer cruising, Aruba's a popular port too. Just remember, United States and Canadian citizens need a valid passport but no visa for stays up to 30 days. Plus, the digital entry card is quick and easy to fill out online before you go. Pro tip, when flying home, United States Customs and Immigration happen right in Aruba's airport. So, give yourself plenty of time before your flight. Once you arrive, communication is simple since English is widely spoken alongside Dutch and Papiamento. You'll pay mostly in United States dollars even though the local currency is the Aruban florin. Just watch out for prices listed in both. Where to stay? If it's your first time hopping onto this island paradise, focus on the western coast near Palm Beach or Eagle Beach. Palm Beach is lively with high-rise resorts, shopping, and nightlife. Perfect if you're looking for that buzzing vibe. Eagle Beach offers a more relaxed pace with beautiful mid-rise resorts and condos. For those wanting something more private or spacious, villas and Airbnbs are plentiful in nearby areas like Northwest Point. A quick heads up, all-inclusive resorts are not common here, so plan accordingly. Now, let's talk about getting around. Renting a car is hands down the best way to explore Aruba's hidden gems beyond the beaches. Driving here is easy. Just like in the United States, you drive on the right side, but be ready for quite a few roundabouts. Book your rental ahead of time at the airport for convenience. If you want to venture into rugged areas like Arikok National Park on Aruba's east coast, you'll need a 4x4 vehicle. Taxis run on fixed rates, but no Uber or Lyft here, and public buses cover limited routes. Speaking of beaches, Aruba's sandy stretches will totally steal your heart. While Palm Beach is popular and bustling, it didn't quite steal our kangaroo hearts due to crowds. Instead, Eagle Beach won us over with its chill vibes and stunning sunsets. For real magic, don't miss Baby Beach at the southern tip. Shallow, crystal-clear waters perfect for snorkeling and family fun. And for those who love secret spots, Mangel Halto is a local hidden gem with mangroves and incredible snorkeling opportunities. If you want that iconic Instagram shot with flamingos, head over to Renaissance Private Island with its famous Flamingo Beach. Access is exclusive to resort guests or those with a day pass. But Aruba isn't just beaches, it's also bursting with culture and adventure. Start your day early at Alto Vista Chapel to catch a breathtaking sunrise before climbing up to California Lighthouse for panoramic views and some delicious eats nearby. Art lovers will adore wandering San Nicolas's vibrant mural scene, while history buffs can explore the Aloe Factory Museum or visit the Donkey Sanctuary to meet hundreds of rescued donkeys. For the active kangaroo in you, challenge yourself with a climb up Mount Hooiberg. Almost 600 steps reward you with spectacular vistas. And don't forget Arikok National Park, where natural pools, caves, and historic ruins await exploration via 4x4 or ATV tours. After all that adventure, you'll want to refuel. Food in Aruba tends to be on the pricier side since most goods are imported. We recommend stocking up at grocery stores like Superfood if your accommodation has a kitchen. Tap water here is safe and refreshing thanks to advanced desalination technology. So, pack that reusable bottle. When dining out, popular restaurants fill up fast during high season, so book ahead through platforms like OpenTable. Tipping isn't required, but always appreciated. Okay, before we wrap up our sun-soaked journey, let's talk packing essentials. Sunscreen with a high SPF, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat are total must-haves under Aruba's intense equatorial sun. Oh, and a beach blanket is super handy since, not all hotels provide chairs on public beaches. And don't forget water shoes. They really come in handy for those rocky spots or when you're out exploring national parks. So, when you're packing for Aruba, be sure to go with lightweight casual clothes for the daytime and, maybe something a little nicer for evenings out. And of course, don't forget your swimwear and flip-flops. There you have it, your complete guide to Aruba from Traveling Kangaroo. Whether you're here to lounge on endless beaches or explore rugged terrain dotted with charming lighthouses and cultural treasures, Aruba truly lives up to its name as one happy island. If you enjoyed taking this virtual leap with us today, please hop down below and hit that subscribe button on Traveling Kangaroo so you never miss an adventure. Oh, and follow us on social media for daily travel inspiration and tips. And don't forget to visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for even more travel guides. Thanks for joining the Traveling Kangaroo family on this sunny Caribbean adventure. Until next time, keep hopping toward your next great journey.